I am Ed Tishy with Commercescape, and I will be guiding you through the RFP Tool Quick Start Guide. The RFP Tool is a cloud application hosted by AWS at a FedRAMP certified facility. The URL is www.qaivv.com. Let's begin with registration. You'll enter your name, email, and password. When you sign up, an email with a link is sent to your inbox. Please be sure to check your spam junk folder when you click on the link. You will be directed to the home page. There you'll enter your login credentials and your account is activated. Let's start with creating the RFP. For this demonstration, we will name the RFP test. RFP test version 1.0 is the baseline. You are the product owner. The status is active. Next, you will assign contributors to the RFP. Contributors are team members from finance, operations, IT, procurement, development, and compliance. They have read-write access to the baseline. You can enter up to 20 contributors. An email with a link is sent to their inbox. When they click on the link, they will be directed to the home page. They have to register to access the RFP. Next, we will assign reviewers to the RFP. Reviewers are responsible for verifying the statement of work scope. They have read-only access to the baseline. You can enter up to 5 reviewers. An email with a link is sent to their inbox. They have to register to access the RFP. Next, we will sign out and enter as a contributor. Now, in Manage Chapters, the RFP tool currently has 19 chapters. For this demonstration, we will select Chapter 10, U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. And we will use Chapter Element 10.01, Medicare Administrative Contractor, MAC. There is a drop-down menu, Select All Questions. Typically, if the question is applicable to the statement of work, you would designate it as in process. So this particular chapter element is specific to the statement of work, so we will select that as in process. You would select NA if it is not applicable to the statement of work. Now, there are 2 tabs you could look at. There's a reporting tab to monitor progress and report percentage complete. And you will see that there are no blanks. There's some non-applicable, in process, 1 out of 81 is compliant, and 1 out of 81 is non-compliant to the statement of work. The next tab is View Baselines. As you can see, it is reporting compliant requirements, non-compliant, requirements that are not applicable, and ones that are still in process. Now bear in mind, this process of adding requirements, reporting, and view baseline is iterative as you continue to develop the RFP. And we are going to log out and enter as a reviewer. RFP test version 1.0, you are the reviewer, and the file is still active. The reviewer has verified the RFP scope with the statement of work while the RFP is being developed. You also have the reporting tab, where you report the performance at that particular moment. And you could also view the baseline too. Now, when RFP version 1.0 is complete, contributors have submitted all requirements and reviewers have verified scope of the statement of work. We'll log out and enter the product owner panel. As best practice for configuration management, the product owner should lock down RFP test version 1.0 and then create the PDF of all compliant requirements. So we will enter view baseline and we will lock that down. Once it's locked down, you could download and attach the PDF to the version 1.0 master RFP template for bid. Note, the status light indicates the RFP is locked and will no longer accept any changes to version 1.0. Now, post version 1.0, the team may receive questions from bidders or additional scope is required. The product owner will baseline the RFP and it will activate version 1.1. So here we will baseline the RFP for additional comments. And those additional comments are to Chapter 10, Chapter Element 10.01. We will change this requirement to compliant, this one to compliant, and this one to compliant. And we will save. So you enter the view baseline, and you will see that we have version 1.0 that was locked down as the original entries. We have the new baseline version 1.1, which has the changes for RFP version 1.1. And the Change tab tells you exactly what changed between version 1.0 and version 1.1. At this point, you are ready to create the PDF and attach the PDF to version 1.0 master RFP template for rebid. Now, the PDF report only shows compliant requirements that you would attach to the RFP. And this is what you would download and attach. This concludes the RFP tool Quick Start training. Thank you for your time. Should you have any questions or would like to request additional training specific to your agency, please email me at admin@qaivv.com.